Hello guys, it's me, Ahmed. I wonder where's Ayat gone?
I'm right here, Ahmed. And hello guys, it's me, Ayat. And I'll stop jumping if you like, subscribe and comment to our channel. Please, please, or I'll stop jumping. Thank you who subscribed to our... Thank you who like, subscribe.
Guys, good news. We're the first country to get the corona vaccine.
Yes, and that means we can travel soon. Yay! And that means we bought a new camera today, so we're gonna unbox it. So let's get started. Whoa, guys, it's so amazing. Ugh.
Oh,
Wow.
Let's show it to the people.
Yeah. And this is a camera for, this is called Sony camera. Sony vlog camera. This is what it looks like on the front, and this is what it looks like on the back. And and sides of all. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's unbox it. Emma, do you want to do the honors?
Yeah.
You open it from this side. Wait, I think we'll need scissors. Whoa! I don't know how to look like right now. Can I do this bit?
Yeah.
I think we first need to charge it.
Okay. We need
Is this a
camera.
You can take all of the. You can take all of the other. No.
You said I'm going first.
Yeah, but we have to charge it.
What's in here?
Guys, I wonder what is this thing. If you know what it is, comment down below.
Yeah, me too. This is a cable, but I don't know this.
So this is what the camera looks like when it's packed. Okay, now let's open it. Wait,
I wonder what it looks like.
I think it's black. This is how it looks like. This is the front. And this is the back.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
It's kind of like eating pictures. I think I've seen some people did have these cameras.
Yeah, guys, comment down below if you know what this button is for. I know what this is for the
Or the
screen
screen.
when you do a picture.
Oh, I think I know this.
So, guys, before we start, before we say anything else, I have to say something. This is a camera. It is called Sony Vlog Camera ZV1.
Guys, I think this is like a foxtail. Oh, I found
Silly,
it.
Ahmed. It's for this.
For this.
For wind doesn't come, so our voice can't be disturbed.
Okay.
Okay, now and guys, I have to tell you something. I think there's on and off buttons, and I have to be very careful, and I don't know much. So this is a secret thing you don't know yet. That I have to be... Whoa! I have to be really careful with it, or I might break it. It's very new. This is what inside, and this is what outside looks. 1 second, and this is what it looks like.
I know what's for the camera.
Oh yeah, okay.
Guys, I know what's for the camera. Like makeup and like makeup stuff for ladies.
And bought is something. And now we're gonna open this. I don't know what is this, but we have to be really careful.
And gaming.
Yeah, and
I game for Lego Dimensions.
guys, is this a Sony X a type of thing? If you know what this is, comment down below. I think I said that already, did I?
Oh no.
Yeah, we have that.
Yeah, yeah. Where you go?
Let's open more things.
I don't think there's anything left.
Okay, now what we do? And guys, we will have to learn much about it because we actually don't know what's this for. Wait, I'll show you. This for. So we have to learn a lot of things about this camera. I always dream having a camera. A lot of it's a lot of confusing buttons we don't know and you don't know. If you have a camera, you might know. If you have a camera, you will know. And it's very light. We can't throw it somewhere because it's delicate. Very, very, very delicate. Or we might break it and someone will be mad at us. And we'd be sad.
Okay, if you throw it, then you can't use it. It'll just be broken and you have to buy it.
And we have to handle it so we can go traveling. And if we don't know how to do this and we go to traveling and we just throw it somewhere, then we can't make any vlogs. We have to make on the phone. So I hope you like our video. So bye guys. So I hope you enjoy our camera. So I hope you enjoy our camera review.
We need to learn more about the camera.
Yeah, this camera, this. So I hope you enjoy our camera review. So bye guys. Oh, and before, this is an expensive camera. Bye. I don't know what I was saying. Okay, bye.